I'm here at Keeper Sport headquarters in Vienna, and I would like to introduce to you the new Ace Trans Pro for Fall/Winter 17. On this glove you will see an evolution of the Evo ZoneTech, you know, from SS17. It will have actually two areas again, so the special finger area with a little bit more grip and a more durable area on the palm of the hand. You also see a little bit of difference on the backhand side, so we didn't change the cut, we only changed the placement of the punching zone a little bit. You have a cross area which even gives you a better contact zone to punch the ball and to have an even surface which gives you a lot more control actually punching the ball than in the past. The glove is a little bit longer than it was in the past, and you also see two rubberized elastic inserts on both sides of the entry, which should really give you a very close fit to the glove. An extended palm area at the bottom, so that gives you also a lot of stability actually putting the glove on, and the asymmetrical stretch strap to pull the gloves down, and then it's ready to close it to have a really snug fit to your hand. So these are actually the key improvements of the very successful SS17 model already, and I think will make a lot of keepers happy with that new model.